Like, I legitimately feel like a piece of salmon right now. Anyway, hello. What a way to start the video. I'm doing something very exciting right now. I am currently checking in for my flight for tomorrow in 24 hours to Je vais à Paris. I'm going to Paris. I'm so excited. I've never been before. The reason why I'm going is it's actually my sister's bachelorette, which is insane. She's a fully fledged adult and getting married. Like, what am I doing? When is it my time? Anyway, whatever, it's not about me, but it kind of is because after that is my birthday. And so I'm gonna be staying in Paris/France for around 2 weeks. And it's just gonna be like a vacation vibe. I haven't really been on a vacation in a while. I do travel a lot, but it's pretty much always for work, and I've never been to Paris before. Je parle un peu de français parce que au Canada, le français est le deuxième langue, et dans le lycée, j'ai étudié le français pendant 5 ans, mais mon français est toujours mauvais, et wait, toujours, yeah. Alors, I don't know if that's the right way. Oh, I got it. Je veux améliorer mon français. Was that good? If anybody speaks French, don't come for me in the comments, but also correct me, please, because I actually want to learn. So today I have a really jam-packed busy day. I'm kind of stressed. I have lots to do to prepare. We are going to prepare for the ultimate hot girl summer trip to Paris. I have to pack. I'll try on a bunch of cute outfits and you guys can help me decide. I have to go exchange some currency, do my own nails, possibly cut my own bangs, and I have to finish editing the Glow Up Project Sleep episode today, which I am only 25% through editing. So lots to be done and not very much sleep to be had, but it will be a fun time. I'm also exhausted because 2 things. I just finished a 2-day shoot for my Counting Sheep music video, so go watch that. It was so fun, but also so tiring because I also got my period yesterday. I am currently bleeding, and that's not fun. I took some ibuprofen and I am doing a lot better now, but I'm gonna continue checking in. I'm also gonna call to see what the current exchange rate is to get euros. I wanted to ask about the exchange rates to euros.
So from Canadian to euros, right now our counter cash rate at 1.3930. So in other words, for you to purchase 1,000 euro, it will be simply 1,393 Canadian.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye. Tip for when you want to purchase foreign currency, you usually can call not your bank because your bank currency exchange rate is usually not good, and they usually can try to match if you call someone else that does currency exchange specifically. I'm gonna bring that rate to my bank and tell them to match it, and they can do it. I was wondering if there are any foreign transaction fees on the credit card. 2.5%. Okay, thank you. I will not be using my card. Successfully secured the bag. I'm not gonna lie, babes. I've just been rotting away for the past 5 hours. I was supposed to be having a productive day today. I've just been playing Candy Crush. Oh, it's embarrassing. Anyway, I've decided to sit upright. I'll put on some makeup. Let's start packing, shall we? I'm gonna try on some fits to see what I wanna bring. I recently got some really cute clothes, so I'm gonna be trying them on for you guys. My room is so messy, so please don't come for me. I mentally am not in a place to receive any criticism right now. I will cry. And that is a threat. I started to sweat, and also I decided to get cute and ready to slay the rest of the day. I wanted to do a little haul, clothing items that I got that I want to potentially pack. And these are all from Princess Polly. And I want to say thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I'll be trying on these items. I picked things that were very summer vibes, including this set that I'm wearing. I feel like this is very airport vibes. Throw a jacket on. What do we think? Lately, I've really been into wearing blue. I feel like it's really my color. I feel like It's a good lounge fit. Princess Polly ships from within the United States. There's free standard shipping that's 4 to 8 days. And to Canada, you pay duties and taxes while you pay for the clothes, so there's no surprises when it comes to your door. Super easy returns within 30 days. And Princess Polly also offers Afterpay to all Canadian customers. Oh, by the way, you can use my code JEN20 for 20% off your Princess Polly order. Get yourself some cute summer items. You can shop all the items I'm about to show you at princesspolly.com. Now let's try on some clothes. Oh my god, look how cute this is. This doesn't come as a set, but I got these two because they looked kind of similar. How freaking cute. It's so summer, flowy vibes. Paris, hot girl on vacation. I have to sweep you off the Venetian. That's not where I'm going. I love how this top fits. I feel like it makes me look snatched. And then I usually don't like long dresses, but this looks so cute. I also got these shoes. I believe they're like vegan leather. I've always wanted a pair of these like giganto platform loafers. These literally go with every outfit, and it gives me some height too. I promise I usually wear socks, but cannot be bothered right now. It just like gives it a look. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am sweating up a storm at this point, but look at this outfit. Is it or is it not giving slay? Because I feel so, for lack of a better term, hot girl. Hot girl. I feel hot girl in this. The corset, I love the colors, this like sage green color. I surprisingly don't have a top like this. I've been wanting to own a corset vibe shirt like this, and I just think it's so cute. I feel like it's snatching me. I usually don't really have much up here. Granted, it might be because it's my time of the month, so the girlies are out to play. But I love this shoulder puff sleeve action going on, the little ties down here. Now I don't know if this outfit really goes together. These shorts are very casual vibes, but they're so comfy and flowy. Both of these are from Princess Polly. I really like these because they're like loungy shorts, but this whole outfit is so comfortable. You know what, I actually am gonna put on some socks because I don't know if I need to be giving out feet content for free. I'm genuinely out of breath. Maybe if I put on some blush, it'll look a little more alive. Okay, I put on the socks and took them off. I paired this outfit with some sandals that are also Princess Polly. Look how cute. I feel like usually I don't like sandals, but I took a chance and I feel like it paid off. These are chunky black platform sandals. I've tried them with a bunch of outfits and they really go with anything. It's really cute. It makes me look a little taller. So I love that. I feel like I can stomp on someone. I feel like I could also wear this top with like a flowy midi skirt or just jeans or like jean shorts. What do we think? Okay, and then what do we think about this fit? It's giving like rock star in Paris. I feel like Dua Lipa would wear this top. I don't necessarily know if they go together. I maybe would pair these pants with a different top. I really like them as separate items. Maybe I would just wear jeans with this actually, because it's, look, it's like a really cool pattern top. This is giving Gen Z pop star vibe, and this is giving a summer in Paris vibes. These pants are so silky and comfortable, very breathable. They are a little long on me, but look, if I wear these chonky shoes with them, like that's literally perfect. Like it just comes off of the ground and I won't trip over myself. Okay, wait, maybe this shirt is more the vibe. They're both silky satiny and it's like super backless. I feel like I usually never wear backless stuff because I have mole on my back that I'm like really insecure about. At some point in my childhood, I was like, I really want to get this lasered off, but now it's like, I don't see it, so like, does it really exist? You know what I mean? So maybe this fit is better. I still feel a little chunky in these pants because I'm bloaty, but like whatever, right? Does anybody really care? Anyway, I think this fit is so cute. This is like a really breathable fit. Stop. This is so cute. It's very casual vibes, but it's like very comfortable for walking around during the daytime. A little picnic by the Eiffel Tower. I paired it with the sandals because I think it just gives it more of the picnic look. What do you think? It's got this pretty flower pattern on it. Look at these shoes. They're so chunky and cute. I'm literally obsessed with these. They're so comfortable. Next fit. Ooh. Who's that girl? It's Jen in Paris. This is a very different outfit from all of them. This is like the night look or day look. Okay, she's giving, she's giving. She's just giving. Silk slip dress. I've never worn a slip dress before. I think I will be continuing to wear these dresses because I think it's so cute and like so simple vibes. So comfy and flowy. It's got a cute neckline and like lace detailing. I'm obsessed. Let me tell you, I'm obsessed. All right, last fit. What do we think? Do we think this is cute? Ooh, you know what? I feel like this matches this shirt a lot. Ooh, I could also like wear it underneath or I could wear it on top. Wait, that is an idea. We got two different outfit ideas with this dress, but what do we think? It's this like really cool patterned mesh dress and very summer vibes. I feel like it's a night dress. It's really comfortable. Do we like? I don't. Let's not look at the butt. It's not giving cake. I think it's cute. All right, those are all the items that I got from Princess Polly. I'm so excited to wear them and I will be packing all of these, but let me know in the comments what was your favorite. I'm so out of breath. Dude, I ripped off my gel nails and they've genuinely just been so thin. They've just been folding like paper. I used to cut my nails this short up until I was like 16 because that's when I finished piano. I could finally grow out all my nails. My long nail girl was just suppressed for like 15 years, but now we're back. And I kind of like the short nails for functionality, but I feel like for the aesthetics, I want them to be long for Paris. So might wanna do my own glue on nails. Should I do that? I do have press on nails. Should I do them? Jerry wants my shoes.
To be fair, they kind of look pretty big.
Yeah, they're chunky shoes, but you're not gonna fit them. You can try. You can't.
Dude.
No, you can't. Stop. You're not stealing my shoes.
I'm not.
Stop. They're mine.
Okay, it's a bit uncomfortable.
Cause I'm a size 6 and you're a size 10. All right, it is actually a couple hours later. I've literally just been rotting in bed again. I am mentally disintegrating and physically. You know when you're so tired that you just like procrastinate because you like can't bring yourself to do anything? Yeah, I'm there right now and I'm hungry, but I have so much to do. And then when you're like stressed about work, so then you like distract yourself and procrastinate, but then while you're procrastinating, you're also stressed about the stuff that you're supposed to do. So it's just like a cycle of stress when it would all be solved if I just like got up and did my work, but I physically like can't do it. I'm truly in the trenches right now. I think the video I'm supposed to edit, I'm just gonna edit what I can and then do the rest on the plane. I should just finish it all tonight if I can. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my absolute hardest. It's 12:46 a.m. I am going to give myself a hard out at 2 a.m. if I even last that long. And then I'm gonna pack and go to sleep. I really needed this. It's grind time. Remember when I said hard out at 2 a.m.? Yeah, it's 4:14 a.m. Listen, I just got carried away. I was really into editing and I was like in the zone. I couldn't stop. Surprisingly, I don't feel too tired right now, which is actually a terrible sign because the jet lag is gonna hit me like a dumpster truck. I just know it. What's the time in Paris right now? 1:15 p.m. So if I go to sleep now, I'm taking my afternoon nap in Paris. But dude, I have so much work left to do. But I think I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing on the plane. I do have to transfer twice. I'm gonna have lots of airport time. I think I'm gonna get like 5 hours of sleep. Okay, that's enough time, right? This is usually how things go before my flights. I pack so last minute and I rush to the airport, but I always make it. We'll see. I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of things I wanted to, like do my nails, cut my bangs. I literally was delusional if I thought I was gonna have time to do that. Also, like, I probably have no business cutting my own bangs before a vacation. Maybe I'll do it while I'm there. No, that's not a good idea. Do you know why I'm having all these delusional thoughts? It's because it's 4 a.m. Just let me rot. I'm not exactly proud of how my night... I'm not exactly proud of how my nights usually go. I'm gonna do it like that. Look, I'm not exactly proud of how my nights usually go. I'm not exactly proud of myself for this. I feel like I'm so expressive. Look, I'm not exactly proud of how my nights usually go, but like, it's giving too much. Yar. One of those won't work. One of those won't work. Okay. I am so exhausted. I just got ready for bed. It is 6:30 a.m. and I'm gonna wake up in 3 hours to pack. I just don't think I should go the whole night without sleeping a little bit. Good night. It's 10:30. I'm gonna take a quick shower. We're gonna pack. I never fell asleep. You know when you like are like laying in bed and you're like your eyes are closed and you like feel like you're like not awake, then when you like wake up you don't feel like you ever actually fell asleep, and it just never reached REM sleep. I should have just packed. Anyway, we have an hour until I have to leave. Let's go. I'm freshly showered. I feel a lot better. I had to last minute order some stuff for the trip. Some of them are not essentials, but some of them are. Sunglasses. These are obviously not essentials. I actually don't even know if I like these. Kind of not giving, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. Next, how many sunglasses did I get? Wait, these are kind of the vibe. They kind of look like 3D glasses, but I kind of mess with it. Okay, I swear this is the last pair. Oh, kind of wait, these are kind of giving. Very that. Very that. Next, I think these are actually essentials. Oh yes, I needed to bring perfume, but like I didn't want to bring the giant bottle. I am newly into wearing perfume because I want to be an elevated lady who smells good. So I'm just gonna take one of these and fill it up. I think this is my toiletry bag. Oh, yes. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be for my makeup. My makeup bag has so many holes in it. So my makeup keeps falling out. This looks like it's perfect and really cute. It also matches my new suitcase. This one, the blue one back here. Okay, amazing. I'm gonna start to pack things into the suitcase now. I think it's like just about 50. I guess we'll see. Okay, let's go to the airport. And we're on our way. I hope I didn't forget anything. This is so hectic. Do I need anything else? Okay. Let's go to Paris. Cutoff time for check-in. Baggage check-in is 12:45. I'm 5 minutes away from it closing, but I just made it to the airport, so this is very on brand for me. I literally always show up like 5 minutes before it closes, but I always make it. So I would just say I'm efficient. We did it. We made it! Got my Starbucks. By the way, you have to try this. It's the dragon fruit drink with lemonade. It's so good if you like fruity things.